Hey everyone, welcome back. If you forgot your Binance password, here's how to reset it safely without risking your account. On the login screen, tap Forgot Password, then enter your registered email or phone number. After you enter it, click on Submit, then verify using the code Binance sends you. Open your Gmail app and then check for the code if they have sent it to you or not. If you don't find it in the primary section, try checking your spam or trash or promotion folders. Sometimes it gets stuck there. Now, after you do that, open your Binance US app again and enter the code over there. Once you've entered it, create a new strong password you haven't used before. Log in again using the new password. Withdrawals may be temporarily disabled for security. This is normal, so you don't have to worry about that. Password resets protect your funds even if it causes short delays. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.